In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Canva's AI text generator, Magic Write, in Canva Docs. Magic Write helps you to generate copy, content ideas, brainstorm, and many more. So to use Canva Magic, open the Canva app. The next step is to click on Canva Docs. Just follow the red arrow. So we'll go ahead and click on Create Blank. It brings us to this page. To use Canva Magic Write, we'll click on the magnifying glass at the bottom of the screen. The next step is to select Magic Write from the list. So let's go ahead and type something here. Since we want to find out how to be consistent on YouTube, let's type that here. So the next step is to click on Enter, and Canva will auto-generate your copy for you. Very convenient, right? So this is our copy, how to be consistent on YouTube. So being consistent on YouTube can be a challenge, but it's definitely achievable. Here are a few tips to help you stay consistent. So the first step is to set realistic goals. The second step, have a plan. Number 3, promote your content. Number 4, don't be afraid to experiment. The number 5 is measure your progress. So I think all these steps can help us be consistent on YouTube. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. So let's try something else. Click on the magnifying glass again. This time around, let's type tips on how to be productive. Then let's click Enter. So our copy has been generated. Tips on how to be productive. So the first tip is set goals. The second tip, eliminate distractions. Turn off your notifications and avoid browsing social media while you are working. 3. Take breaks. 4. Prioritize your task. So Magic Write can really help you brainstorm some ideas. It's really helpful. So we can also click here and convert our copy to a presentation. So there are different templates to choose from. You can edit and proofread your copy to meet your requirements. Next, you can share your copy as a PDF, or you can share using a link. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more. You can watch the content creation playlist next. See you in the next video.